Yo, what's up, people? Yeah, I've been sitting here watching a couple of videos this evening, and them kind of remind me of some funny things that happen, through the course of my life. And I just decided to make a few videos now on YouTube, just chatting about random stuff, random things that make me laugh sometimes. So yeah, man, this is my first proper YouTube upload. I'm a YouTube virgin, so I'm fragile.
One thing that puzzles me is, for instance, porn sites. You know, when you log on and they have this warning, if you're not over the age of 18, please press no. I always wonder if there's actually anybody that in their right mind that take their time to type in porn sites or whatever site they're going to, and then see that, and then, have a change of heart at the last minute. Not that I go on the sites or nothing.
Okay, let's have a look at this porn stuff everybody's been talking about at school. Okay, okay, let's try it. Okay, let's try this one. Warning. You must confirm that you are over the age of 18, as the following material is of a sexually explicit nature. Oh, I'm 15. I'm gonna try anyway. They won't find out, will they? What if they find out I'm underage? No, I can't do it. I can't do it. No, I'm gonna click no. No, I'm not over 18.
Next thing now. Well, I'm going to be honest. Like, back in my teenage years when I was younger, I used to go on dating sites, you know what I mean? I used to go on there to try and find a girl, for whatever. And, like, it turned out there to be a crap site. I'm not going to bait it up or nothing. I'm not going to say its name, but it turned out to be like a lot of spammers on there. You put something and then people come into, like, sending you links to websites and all stupidness on the site, right? So I got frustrated one day and I put on there like, yo, are there any guys on this site that actually manage to speak to a genuine person other than a spammer, right? So I get this reply.
Yeah, dude, I totally agree. I keep getting all this same spam stuff, man, from all these females. Hella crazy, man.
So I replied to him now saying, now it's funny because that's all the same thing I get, like I said in mine, right? So I just put, yeah, it's just stupid, man. I'm not gonna bother going on that site or whatever. Just dumb. Then I get an email pop up, pow.
It's no wonder there's so many guys on there turning gay. Yeah. Do you have any pictures? Wink.
Guinness World Records, come and check me, because I don't think it's possible for someone to delete their email account as quick as I did. No, man. I don't flex them way still, but I never went back on that site again. Okay, it scarred me, okay? I mean, just talking up, no. Right, another one. With that same site, that same very site, I saw this one listing, right? Somebody on there, some girl, post on it now. And she said,
Is this on? Hi. Okay, I'm writing this because I want to find somebody for some fun. Now, before I go on, there's something I must say. I have HSV 1 and 2. Now, for those of you guys out there that don't know what that is, it's herpes. I know. Okay. I'm not happy about it. There's nothing I could do though. It's something I have to live with for the rest of my life. And the people I've been with before I even found out I had it, I've advised them and we're okay now. So, on that note, I just want to find somebody for some fun. I am curvaceous. I am 23 and I'm hoping for some replies, okay? Me and my Teddy are looking forward to it.
No, seriously. Which guy in his right mind going to reply to that? All the teddy bears saying no.
Another thing that make me laugh, see, is to do with Jamaican man them. Jamaican man who can identify with this, right? So you're standing there with your brethren and you're just talking about a few things, what's going on or about some girl that you link up last week or something. And then I go, nice girl walk past now. And she's strong. Now in Jamaica when we say a girl strong, that means the body nice and full out and in proportion and everything right. You understand? I was saying want to talk to her, accent change up completely. So yo me I tell you that last week my girl and Shelly house tell you see it. Yo Shelly body you say yeah man. Yo hear me I say yo up on that girl there. Those are skirt. Yo baby. Yo hey babe. Come here, come here, son. Jesus Christ. How you doing, darling? You looking dastardly this afternoon, Yeah. You looking mighty pretty in that dress. So you're going to let me take you back to mines and show you something. What from your side, man? You're not even pretty to blouse. Sure. Look at dirty girl. She did nice though, still done. Pretty, yo. Yo, I'd wrap up this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully there's more to come from me. I just have to think about some things that happened in my life, some more funny things, and yeah, there's plenty. But like the time I do to myself. But I'll save that for another video.
Sure.